Hello everyone. Welcome to our guide on creating SQL databases in Azure. Today we'll delve into the seamless integration of powerful database solutions in the cloud, ensuring that you're equipped with the knowledge to get started efficiently. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you will never miss any update from us. Moving on, let's start with what is Azure SQL Database. Azure SQL Database is a smart, cloud-based version of a traditional SQL database. It lets you store and manage your data in the cloud, meaning you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. It's reliable and secure and can scale up or down based on your needs. Azure SQL Database handles various database management functions such as upgrades, patching, backups, and automatic monitoring, reducing the need for user involvement. Plus, it is managed by Microsoft, so you don't have to worry about technical issues like updates and maintenance. Moving on, let's look at the objective. The objective of Azure SQL Database is to provide a fully managed, scalable, and secure cloud database service. It handles all the heavy lifting of database management like upgrades, backups, and monitoring automatically. This lets you focus on building your application without worrying about infrastructure maintenance. Now let's consider a scenario. Quick Shop is an online retail enterprise who seeks to upgrade its data infrastructure to effectively manage its increasing customer base and ensure a seamless shopping experience. The company requires a robust, scalable, and efficient database solution to support various aspects of its business operations. Now, these are the requirements for modernizing the data infrastructure of an e-commerce company by migrating from traditional on-premises database to Azure SQL Database. This transition aims to streamline data management, enhance scalability, and improve operational efficiency across global operations. You can pause the video and take a look at these requirements because we'll be using these details in our lab. You can unlock exclusive content and demonstration of this lab by attending our demo on creating Azure SQL Database, where we'll show you how companies can store their data and enhance their scalability using Azure SQL Database. You can explore these tools in depth by visiting our website.